Three best remote job sites that are currently employing right now. They employ world over, the pay rate is high. If you enjoy the idea of working from the comfort of your home, taking remote jobs, then these three websites I'm about to show you are a must check out for you. So on these platforms, you get job openings from different parts of the world, and yes, you can work from anywhere you are in the world. Some of them are full-time openings, some of them are part-time. Now, jobs here cut across remote sales chat representative, partnership managers, influencers, sales executive, content writers, and even social media manager. And most of these opportunities are entry-level openings, which means if you've never worked before, you don't have a work experience, you definitely can apply for these jobs and close the deal if you are good at what you do. Interestingly, they pay in different currencies. So if you have a dollar or pound account or any account with which to withdraw a foreign currency, you definitely in for this. Now, in case you don't like the idea of remote jobs, you probably have a product or service you want to sell, or you like the idea of selling other people's products and services, then the first website is for you, because on this website, you have over 40,000 people who sell their products and services on this website, and they earn commission every Sunday. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. The first website on my list is this one I'm looking at right now. So on this website, there are lots of job openings, like they are updated on a daily basis. Some of these jobs include content executive, entry-level remote social media manager, influencer marketing manager, lead editor, AI content and SEO strategist, remote content writer, remote sales chat representative. With this kind of job opening, all you need is to sit back in your house and chat with people, or even coordinate others who chat, and you get paid. Some of these jobs will pay you per task, some will pay you per hour. It's actually a legit website because I've read a lot of reviews from people who have actually gotten jobs here in the past. So this website is called weworkremotely.com, and the link is in the description of this video. Now, when you get on this website, the first thing is to create an account, and to do that, all you need is to come over here and click on sign in, and then you're going to go on to create your account. Since we want to get paid for doing this task, we're going to create an account as a job seeker. So you're going to click on this, and then you go on to create account. Now, if you're in Africa and you want to get best results, you may consider using VPN. This way, you'll be able to get as many job openings as possible. The second remote job site here favors those that are techie. So if you're a designer, you're a developer, you're into tech, you're going to see a lot of job openings for you here. Interestingly, you get to see how much you earn per job you complete. So let's explore it. The first job opening here is senior independent UI UX designer, and you earn between $90 to $150 per hour. The next one is independent software developer. If you're going to take this job, you need to actually work with US and European time zones. We have net developer, online teachers. So if you speak and can teach French or German, this is definitely something you want to consider. Okay, and of course, it's a night shift, which means you can do your normal job during the day and do the night shift here. We have virtual assistant jobs. This one pays between $30 to $35 per hour. And the good thing is, most of them are entry-level openings, which means you can sign up even without experience. Yes. So the name of this website is called Remotive, and the link to sign up is contained in the description of this video. So all you need is to create a free account, start applying for these jobs. And here comes the third remote job site on my list. It says, welcome to the largest remote community. Jobs here are updated on hourly basis, which means if you're really committed to getting a job here, you're going to get new jobs opening that a lot of people are not even aware of. You put in your application as early as possible, get the consideration, and close the deal. Now, let's look at some of the job openings we have here. This one says head of technical SEO. It was updated 14 hours ago. Senior analytics manager marketing, updated 14 hours ago. Advisory solution consultant, manager, sales associate. Guys, the list continues. Now, if you scroll down, you get to see a whole lot of them, because there's so much you can do here. The fact that jobs here are updated on hourly basis, I believe you have a greater chance of getting job openings here. Those new updated openings, go on and put in your application. If you do your very best, being the first set of people to apply, you're going to get considered before every other person. And if your application is great, Why not? You sit back in your house, deliver on the promise, and then you get paid. This thing is not as difficult as you think. All you need is to know how to deliver on this job. Present yourself very well, put in your application, and then once it's considered, you sit back in your house, work from the comfort of your bedroom, and be able to earn real good amount of money for the effort you put in. One of the biggest secrets to getting these jobs is having a very optimized profile and maybe work experience. You can actually write a good profile. If you don't know how to do that, you can get AI to do that for you, and then you tweak it, get yourself something very amazing. Then for job experience, do these jobs for your friends. Get them to give you testimonials that you actually delivered on the promise you made, and this is actually work experience you're going to show your employer. If everything works fine, you get the job and you begin to build your profile from there. Now, the fourth website, this is where you are going to sell your product and services or sell other people's own and get paid commissions for doing that. And like I said, they pay every Sunday morning. So it says join over 40,000 plus people, earning in dollars, get started in 5 minutes. So this is the website, and what you basically do here is to sell product and services. It could be your own or another person's own. So if you have a good product or service that solves a problem for the target audience and you need to make more sales, you can come over here and update it here. Once you are vetted and everything is good, you get thousands of people help you promote your product and services, so you'll be able to make massive sales. And in case you don't have a product or service yet and you still want to make money here, definitely what you need to do is to sign up here as an affiliate. You promote other people's product. This is the website, and it says they've paid over $450,000 in commission. They have over 18,000 active affiliates and over 110 collaborations with product owners. Scroll down here and read a couple of things about them, how this works, before you go on to create your free account. Once you're satisfied with what you have here, all you need is come over here and click on the button that says become an affiliate, and then when it opens, you go on to submit your basic details, your name, your email address. Once you are accepted, you can go on to start promoting product and services on your social media accounts, be able to earn money from that. This thing is not hard. You can actually go on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and any other platform you have, even WhatsApp. Talk about these products and the value they offer. Get people to buy those products and services using your affiliate link, and you earn commission from that. The link to this website are contained in the description of this video. Let me know which of them are you going to start with. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.